footwork, because if your feet and everything are quick enough, you'll be able to get yourself out of danger. So this is happening. So from here, what is happening is some of you are stepping in, so you're stepping in, but then on the way out, you're shifting the back foot, which is moving yourself out of danger, and then you're dragging it in. So if he tries to hit me back, I'll try to do it that way. So for me, you're going 1, 2. So it's harder, but you're kind of like you're almost doing a different footwork. A push back would be 2 feet going back, in both feet at the same time. So I could push in with both feet, which is Filipino footwork. So I have a push forward, push, and then push back. So I actually like that footwork. That's a different footwork. That's push in, out. Yeah, that's in, and that's back out. That's and that's back out. That's a different thing. From here, this is where you're grounded. You need to hit that tag, which is a few inches away. So from there, you're putting yourself in, and you're getting yourself straight back out of danger. In and out before they know about it. So from here, you're in, back out. Now if I go in, out, and he moves in, push, then you can start putting the other footwork in, which means from there, I will step the foot backwards, so as he moves in, step back, and hit at the same time. Then I can come back up and start putting pendulum footwork and other stuff in. So from here, I want in and out, but then I can move. Yeah, in and out, I can move. Okay, this is just, remember, hopefully, idea of jabs is one, judge distance. Other idea of jabs as well is the range finder. And the other thing is if he's up on his toes, is to get him from here, that his weight goes back on his heels. So that might not happen. So I'm gonna be bang, bang, in and out. If it does happen, I go in and out, there you can't chase me back anyway for the counter. If I get him on his heels and then he tries to counter back, see, you'd have to get your weight in it, so that's why you still want to be in and out. So that's what we're trying to work from there. So from here, it's literally, it's not a full in commit. You're like, right, Ian can hit me. There we go. Ian can't hit me. He can hit me. No, he can't. Hit me. No, he can't. I can hit Ian now. Yeah. Yeah, so you've got that. No different like karate and stuff. We do it like, no, I can hit you. Now I'm back out. I hit it. Now I'm back out. Commit, and I'm back out. Make sense? So everything's kind of like got something similar to it.